Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is Python tutorial series for absolute beginners. Today we are going to learn about the data types in Python. In the last episode, I had covered comments and before that, hello world. Make sure that you go through them. Before we kickstart coding, thank you so much for always supporting me and my channel. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my videos. If you are preparing for a full stack interview, please do get your full stack interview series book at arttutorials.gumroad.com. If you like my work and tutorials, please do consider buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/arttutorials. This is episode 5. Today we are learning about data types in Python. So these are the available data types that are present in Python. Integer, which is integer whole numbers like 5, minus 3,000. These are all numbers, integers. Then we have float. Float means decimal points or floating point numbers like 3.14, 2.0, etc. Then we have complex numbers, which are 3 plus 5j or minus 2j, etc. We have boolean values, which is true or false. We have strings, which is hello, arc, python, etc. We have list, which is ordered mutable collection basically. So list is nothing but an array if you can think of in other languages. You have tuple, which is ordered immutable collection. Okay, I'll cover all of these data types, but this is just for your information and theory. Today you don't have to remember all of it, but this is an overview. Range is, in English we know what is it is. It is a sequence of numbers. So when we say range from 0 to 10, so it will give a range sequence of numbers between 0 and 10. You have dict, which is a key value pair basically. So this is like a JSON format, but to store values and variables. You have none type, which is representing no value or null. For example, none. Then you have set, which is unordered list, which is mutable and will have no duplicates. Okay, so this is high level explanation of all the data types that are available in Python, because starting next episode I will show you one by one all of these data types hands on. Okay, we'll start with integers, then we'll go to decimal, complex and all of that one by one, but this is for your reference. You can take a screenshot or refer to this PPT whenever you're preparing for Python. Remember these integer, float, complex, bool, str, which is strings, list, tuple, range, dict, none type and set. These are the data types we will work with. That's all in today's episode, just a high level overview of the data types. In the next episode onwards, I'll show you how to use numbers. Thank you so much for joining in this episode. Please do like, share, comment on the videos. I'll see you in the next part. I'll make sure that you learn Python end to end with me. Thank you.